Okay, today's presentation is looking backwards to look forward. We're exploring how proxy data provides evidence for past climatic events. Basically, we're looking at how does replacement data, actual data from the past, is used to talk about the future, and how does current data talk about the past. So let's open up with our warm-up. I want you to look at this picture. I need you to tell me 3 observations you notice about this picture. Okay. So looking at this picture, what did you come up with? If I have any volunteers, I want you to come up here and write it on the board. Okay. Some of you said that an observation that you made was the fish is holding a long object. Some of you said that there's a hole in the container as an observation. And others said that the fish's eyes are wide. That's an observation because that is something that you can see with your 5 senses. Now let's talk about inference. Let's talk about inferring. What does it mean to infer? So if someone says to you, it's like, I infer about the couch that you had in the ad, what do you think they're talking about? They're talking about like potential. They're talking about a possibility of something that leads into something else. So one inference that you might have made is that the fish is holding a baseball bat. So that may have resulted in this hole right here. You see another fish with a glove. So you conclude that the fish hit a baseball through the glass bowl. And his wide eyes are because he's worried because the water might be coming out. Some people in my other class said that the water might be going in. But hey, that is an inference. So after looking at the difference between observation and an inference, examine your initial observation. Are any of them inferences? Label any of that are inferences and not observations. So the next question I want to raise to you is, do you think scientists make observation and inferences like you did? Why do they make observations and inferences? Scientists use observation and inferences to understand how the world works and make sense of scientific phenomena. If we see the sky is blue outside, we then take the next step and make an inference and come up with, why is the sky blue? We get a kind of idea. And then with that idea, we come up with a question that we want to test, and we develop that into a hypothesis, and then you see where this is going. It's a scientific method. So I would continue on with going through my slides like this with the kids, and using a backward loop so they can write on and think about it and go back. Something like that.